The civet's natural selection of the best coffee cherries is essential for the authentic flavor of Kopi Luwak.
As local farmers attest, preserving this dense rainforest habitat is essential for the ethical production of Kopi Luwak.
Civets are solitary animals, often marking territory with subtle scent trails along
The civet's diet, including ripe coffee cherries and tropical fruits, influences the gentle processing of tanzidits.
This hydration helps their digestion of coffee cherries and supports smooth nutrient absorption. The civet's sharp sense of smell helps it detect only the ripest cherries among thousands on the plantation. Mother civets are highly protective of their young, teaching them how to move safely across branches and identify edible foods. Mother civets are highly protective of their young, teaching them how to move safely across branches and identify edible foods. To protect this species is to ensure sustainable Kopi Luwak production for future generations.
This one has a lot of good beans. Each bean represents our ethical and natural origin.
Motorbikes designed for rough forest terrain arrive to gather the sealed harvest bags.
Portable weighing stations made from polished bamboo allow collectors to log each batch's weight before leaving the forest.
Welcome to the village. We are ready to log the harvest.
Thank you. We appreciate the partnership.
The yield is excellent. These beans are perfect for the Nusantara Luwak Premium Blend.
Indeed, the best harvest we've had in years.
The sun sets on the harvesting phase. Now, the Luwak Nusantara begins its journey to the...
A little further back, watch the left side. Okay, hold it right there. Let's get these unloaded. Sample B, logging the weight now.
Confirmed. The residue quality is excellent for the Nusantara certification.
Into the Nusantara pre-wash drum, a rotating cylindrical washer built specifically for Kopi Luwak raw material.
The beans are transferred into the Nusantara pre-wash drum, a rotating cylindrical washer built specifically for Kopi.
The journey now advances to deeper purification.
After enzyme treatment, the beans are transferred into tiled fermentation vats, decorated with Indonesian batik wave patterns.
Once fermentation reaches the precise level, workers drain the vats and rinse the beans again using fresh mountain. This is the final deep cleansing. Each curtain removes micro residue and prepares
Workers gently spread the beans, using wooden rakes carved with Batak tribal patterns. When unexpected rain clouds appear, staff quickly move trays under a roofed bamboo shelter. Once sun drying reaches the target moisture, beans are transferred to mechanical dryers for precise finishing.
The beans undergo a secondary washing stage, using the Pure Flow Nusantara rinse belt, a gently moving conveyor.
This stage ends with workers loading the stabilized beans into airtight steel barrels, painted with the logo.
This is exactly what we were looking for. The quality is exceptional.
We're glad you're pleased. We take great pride in our coffee.
It was a pleasure doing business with you.
You as well.
Double checking the tension here.
Yes.
Looks good to me. All green for export.
We're here with the shipment of Luwak coffee from PT Nusantara Luwak. Here are all the necessary digital.
This packaging is exquisite. Look at the detail on the civet story.
It truly is a masterpiece.
PT Nusantara Luwak coffee has become a symbol of Indonesian pride.
First crack. It's a critical moment.
Starting out from two brothers that grew up in the coffee farm.
This batch has a bright acidity and a full body, with notes of caramel. Nusantara Roast Sink ensures the perfect repeatability of premium batches.